Is fracture analysis always stuck in tedious deadlocks? Now, the fully automatic stereo microscope is here. A breakthrough artifact for fracture analysis. One-click autofocus, revealing every detail with precision. With independent lighting in facades, no matter how complex the structure is, observation blind spots can be eliminated. Software control achieves stepless zooming. 0.7x to 4.8x full-range optical zoom with a 2-second switching time. Paired with professional algorithms, direct measurement can be conducted after zooming. Depth of field synthesis function, allowing clear synthesis and photography of fractures at different heights. If encountering large-sized samples, the microscope can perform image stitching to display the complete appearance of the sample in high-definition images. 360-degree rotating lighting and camera function ensure clear observation from all angles. LABTT fully automatic stereo microscope, ultimate efficiency, one-step solution.
LABTT testing is easy.